Hello, welcome to the Cooking with Maria show. I am Maria, and I'm going to share how to cut an avocado with you guys in my own unique way. I'm going to create slices right now. First, I cut the whole thing in half, turn it slightly to get the pit out of the way. Then I carefully slice it thin in its own peel still, delicately, thin slices. Then I take a fork and scoop it out. It comes out perfectly into slices onto our soy riso. This soy riso scramble can be found on this page as well. I'll go ahead and put a link to that video in the show notes here. Avocado, it's so good for us, so delicious. Have a beautiful day and keep coming back to the show. This is Cooking with Maria on the Strong Body, Strong Soul channel here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on new items added to the buffet. Have a great day.